Hey guys, if you want to earn Robux in a donation game, you have to create a game pass that belongs to your own account. Never use a random ID, that's a scam, and you'll get nothing. I'll show you how to do it the right way on PC and mobile. It's super easy, so let's get started. I'm using Starving Artist as an example. The sign says you need shirts or game passes. Shirts cost 10 Robux, but game passes are free. Today, I'll show you how to make game passes. It's quick, easy, and free. Just follow what I do in the video. First, log into your Roblox account on the website. For mobile users, tap the three dots in the bottom right and select Desktop Site. Now that we have logged into our account, look for the Create button at the top. You will see it here where I have circled it with my red pen, so let's click it. You should be seeing this page now. If not, tap on Dashboard. Then click on Creations, and you'll see your place listed. I've covered my name since yours will show your username. Make sure it's set to public, then tap on your place. Now you need to scroll down to where it says Passes and tap on that. You should see this page now. Tap on the Create Passes button. You can only make up to 50 game passes. I've already reached the limit, so I can't make a new one. But just follow along. You're almost done and about to create your first game pass to start earning Robux. Now you need to give your game pass a name. I type thank you for a message for the people who buy my game passes, and after you write a message, go to the bottom and click Create Pass. Now you should be back on this page. You want to find the game pass you just created. Yours will be easy to find since it's your first pass. You will see that it says off sale, so we have to turn it on so it will work inside donation games. You can tap it or click on the three dots and then click Open in New tab. Now you need to click on Sales. Now turn it on by clicking Item for Sale. Put in the price you want it to be and click Save Changes. Don't forget 40% is taken out of all Game Pass purchases in donation games. I'm back in Starving Artist. Let's put up a painting from my inventory and set a price using one of my game passes. Remember, art is expression, not a competition. All art is valuable. Every piece tells a story. Here are all of my game passes. Let's just pick one. Now we can sell this painting for 50 Robux. We'll make 30 Robux after the 40% is taken out. If this video helped you, please subscribe and hit the like button. And if you'd like to send me Robux, you can click the link in my channel description. Thanks for watching.